Oops.
Where are all the other beans? Oh, there they are.
Cool, I did bring my thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy cow.
Welcome to
Preparing for
Expedition
war.
Central.
Good grief.
Does it scare you?
That's insane. Are you filming a video?
Yeah, you know, just trying to get some context.
Alright, well, good place to hang out, man.
Okay, bye. Are you going to bed?
No.
Okay. He's talking to them about all our stuff.
When do we want to fill up on water? Do we want to just fill up on the way?
Yeah, we can fill on the way.
Okay. So here's the rack that I brought.
Are you do the camelback? You bring yours?
Camelback, yeah, I got that and then 2 Ambience.
Cool. You want to be in charge of pulling all you want from the rack? Well, because I feel like you kind of know what we're climbing.
I don't think we need a 6.
Yeah, there's a lot of random stuff in there.
Probably not a 5. I'd probably take everything under that.
Okay. We have 3s of stuff.
Yeah. I mean, it's going to suck carrying in, but if we decide when we go climb that we don't want to bring something, I'd rather have it at base camp.
Yeah, and then honestly cover more distance too.
Yeah.
Up there.
I think it'll be good. And then I do have quite a bit of cord. So I got these 2 cordelettes that these are kind of like, oh no, ones that I can leave behind.
Just got some cord with the double fisherman's that's like got no tail. I'd rather use yours.
Okay. We should be good on that. And then I got 2 of the big 240 slings.
Okay, perfect. I have a 240 as well.
Yeah, we should be good on that then. And then I got some extra like random stuff that if we have to we can leave. 2 ATC guides. Bunch of random carabiners. I'm gonna bring all this. So I can put all that in my bag. I'm gonna look at my clothes. Are we taking like showers in the morning or no?
I'm sure you can if you want.
Well, I'm just asking so I know when to get dressed and what.
Oh, that's up to you if you want to shower or not.
We're just gonna pack my clothes and my personal gear in.
Everything's going in that thing. You can take one of my stuff sacks if you need to.
Everything's going in the orange one?
Yep. Does anyone have a USB phone charger?
USB-C?
USB.
No, I didn't bring one, sorry.
You do in the car though, right? Yes, you do. Well, you will bring that with us. Anyone have a portable charger?
Yeah, I got one. Did you not bring one?
I have this, and it steals from camera batteries.
Oh, okay.
So.
I got this one. I don't know. We can figure something out.
Yeah.
It's not massive, but
It's not like we're gonna need that much power. I'm only worried about keeping my camera and stuff charged.
okay.
But I have a converter for my drone batteries.
So we can steal from a few things if we need to.
I brought extra AAA batteries too.
Sweet.
Here's your knife.
Lock. Anyone?
What?
The Glock?
Huh?
The gun?
Oh. Should be in the back, right?
It's in the back.
I'm putting the Glock on this box.
The Glock's on the box.
The age-old question: how many pairs of underwear do I bring?
The age-old question.
3 pairs, including the one I got on. I think that's good. They're gonna get a little crusty. It's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
How many pants and shirts y'all bringing?
I'm bringing 1 pair of pants.
I'm bringing 1 pair of pants. Technically, I have 3 shirts. No, 2 shirts.
Yeah, I'll have probably 2, 1 long sleeve, 1 short sleeve.
I'm doing 2 long sleeve, but they're like sun shirts. They're thin.
Oh, okay. Are y'all expecting me to kind of be carrying a lot of camera gear? I'm carrying up like the minimum, but I just want that to be known.
It's up to you. Should I bring deodorant?
Yes.
Okay.
So you think my Camelback and my bottle of water will be okay?
That bottle?
No, we can bring that.
What bottle?
It's a liter. It's this. I'll carry it with me every time, probably. My harness.
Yeah, I mean we can refill it once we get to camp too. I think
Yeah.
there's an alpine lake there. There's some streams, so.
We have the water filter stuff over there.
Yeah.
Let's put all of our bottles over here.
Okay. Camelbacks included or no?
Yeah, why not?
Let's try to shove as much as like the food and stuff as possible in that bear can. Maybe even the jet oil and stuff.
Okay.
Because that thing takes up a lot of room.
Yeah.
See? Ooh.
That's beautiful.
Whoa. I do have an extra headlamp too that I brought.
I have one too, I think. It's cool.
Oh, I bought travel toothpaste and I lost it, so if I could borrow somebody's toothpaste, that'd be
You
sick.
can borrow mine.
Cool.
Should we just bring one thing of toothpaste and share it?
Yeah.
I have a full one. I don't know how full yours is. Why'd you take this out of the...
Huh?
Why'd you take this out of here?
I was gonna see if there's one in the chamber.
There.
I'm not gonna mess with it right now.
Is there one in the chamber?
Didn't check.
There probably is. I'm missing a headlamp. It's somewhere on the ground around here.
I think peeing on the side of this house is allowed.
Yes. Anything you have that is charged or battery powered, like your Rocky Talkie, your headlamps, put them into their own little pile right here so we can put them in the back of the car and charge them when we drive.
I did bring the Garmin.
Yeah. Are you organizing all the climbing stuff?
I'm organizing the Alpines.
Cool.
Well, headlamps shouldn't need to be charged.
I have one of the new ones. I bought it for
I
this.
wonder if this one.
USB.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's fancy. I'm just gonna keep mine with myself then. That's what I need.
Yeah.
I'll put the portable charger over there though. Make sure it's topped off.
Topped off, yeah.
Topped off, yeah.
Do we want to bring one of these to camp?
Might be worth it. I don't know.
Or just the 10-liter sack?
10 liter sack.
Okay.
Fucking ultralight right here. Shaving off a tiny bit of cardboard to save weight. It's hilarious. I don't know where I'm Why did I bring a full electric toothbrush, man?
Are you bringing your rain jacket?
Yeah. Just in case it turns.
Yeah.
All my other stuff.
Trust us. And from my recent experience, it's fine by me.
Okay, with my gear, I don't think I can carry that bear can in my bag with my gear.
I can probably fit it in mine. I mean, we'll have to split up everything in a weird way anyway, right?
Yeah, I think so.
You think one pair of long underwear is fine?
Yeah, I didn't even bring one, so.
Okay, do you want one? Long underwear? I have extra.
I don't think I'm gonna get that cold.
I'm just, you know,
Nah, don't worry about it.
I don't know what the temperatures are out there.
Maybe for Tetons.
There. Anything you know you'll need for Tetons, but don't need now, we can make a new pile for that stuff. Like a sleeping pad will go with that. So we'll have the double sleeping pad, this sleeping pad, and the next sleeping pad.
Okay. I got this one, that's all I'm using. I'm gonna strap it to the outside of my pack though.
Are you gonna bring it with us?
To...
To the Wendy?
Yeah.
Big news for you. So, I stole my friend's two-person sleeping pad. So, it fills the entire tent, the entire two-person tent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you need to bring it.
I'll bring that for the Grand Teton Road.
Okay. Grand Teton pile.
Three pairs of underwear seems a little aggressive.
You brought all your quick draws?
Yeah, I'm gonna not bring those then. I'm gonna bring just the Alpines.
Okay. I like what you're doing, Hutchins.
Thank you.
Keep that up. So we don't need these. Probably keep them in the car.
I'm so sorry.
You got any more of these you want to add? We have 4 right now.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, and then I have this one. It's 40
Okay.
feet.
Yeah, bring that out.
Just thought I wouldn't cut one in case we needed it. Wow, it's crazy that these are still left us today.
No.
Jed, do you want to keep this carabiner or put them all in one?
You can put them all in one.
Bring all this except my regular draws.
I might make a Prussics out of this. I can't.
Shoot, I forgot about
Do you not have one?
No.
Oh.
So I was thinking out of that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's 3 fuel canisters. They're all barely used.
You said you don't want the 5?
No, I don't think we need it. I think the biggest it calls for is like a 4. And I think that's only if you do a certain like variation.
Okay.
I just want to have a 4 anyways, just in case. I don't think we're going to need anything bigger than that.
Does anyone have a full thing of Advil?
No.
Yeah, I think we should buy some.
Yeah. In agreement.
And you have your day pack, and then your backpacking pack. Right.
I'm just using that one for everything.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can maybe carry like another pack if we have one. Just like try to strap them together. I probably should. I don't have a backpack, so I never know.
I bought one.
I figured that's like middle ground between not quite big enough for full backpacking.
Yeah.
Probably too big for climbing. So just
Yeah.
probably the wrong choice now that I think about it, but
It'll work.
yeah. And these three guys. A hat, because I gotta bring a hat, of course. And this one seems to fit the best under my helmet. Also brought some repair tape.
Oh nice. For
Holes and stuff.
repair tape.
I mainly got it because my jacket has a bunch of holes in it and I'll probably have to fix them.
Do you have a pile of lockers over there?
We have
Or any of them mine?
the green one.
Can I have it? Or wait. Never mind, you can leave with that stuff. Sorry.
You know where those blue lockers are? Those small D shape.
Blue lockers.
Just yeah. Black diamond,
Are they in
blue
that pile?
blue screw.
These ones are mine.
Oh.
I do.
Are they in your bag? Your little pencil bag? It looks like it has a lot of stuff in it.
I don't think so.
What's
It's got a lot of nothing in it right now.
Full water sack. They weren't with the other stuff?
I didn't see him. It's okay, we'll find him.
Where else would they be?
I do have a bunch of lockers, but
So, what all this are we taking? What all this are we taking?
I'm taking all of that, right?
All that?
The 5 and the 6 are stored away right there.
Okay.
I got this.
I'm gonna start putting this on the gear loop.
Yeah.
I'll organize
Let's just keep cams on the gear loops, not the Alpine zones.
Yeah, the Alpines get confusing quick.
Just 3. Okay. And I am gonna leave my 1 and my 2 because we have 3 of those already.
Uh-huh.
I think that's pretty good.
I think so, yeah. It's tripled on 3s, 2s, 1s.
Yeah, that's solid. The main thing is just try not to overplace.
Yeah.
Place like when you think you're gonna need it. If you feel confident, just keep playing.
Right. Jed, do you want to make that Prusik tonight?
Yeah, I can.
Do you know how?
Oh, you're making one too?
Yeah, I need one.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
I dropped mine on that tower.
Oh no.
Do we want to make like a special wrap loop or like a special wrap pile?
I would just bring those on, like put one of those on each of our harnesses. I got one on mine already.
I have one of mine already too.
Those are just good for like...
Those are like emergency situation. Yeah. That's what you're saying though.
Do we want 2 Grigories?
Yeah.
Multiple blade devices in case something gets dropped? Okay.
My plan, because I don't know if the wraps are going to be very straightforward, so for a lot of it, what I was planning on doing is setting up like a normal wrap, but blocking off one side.
How do you mean blocking off?
Like tie a knot on one side, and like put a carabiner on it so that you can single strand rappel on a Grigori.
Gotcha.
To go check it out. That way, if I have to, I can just like reascend the rope if it's in the wrong spot or it leads to nowhere. And find a new plan.
Gotcha.
You want to clip these to each other?
Go for
it. What kind of layers am I gonna need while we're hiking?
Honestly,
shorts.
Yeah, I'm planning on wearing these two most of the day, and I'm just gonna have, if I need better layers, higher up. Yeah.
And so you have puffer and then like a hoodie. And then long sleeve.
Yeah. So I got sun hoodie, just a backup.
Have we looked at the temperatures? Well,
I did. They didn't look horrible.
Like what's the range? Just so I
can't remember, but it wasn't
check.
Like, yeah. Look up.
My phone's charging. Okay.
Mine is about to die.
Remind me to call the Pinedale like ranger office or something because they'll give us good information. That's the nearest city.
Mm. How many days were we there?
At least 3, I think.
Yeah, at least 3.
Who's the weather the next couple days? We gotta plan food.
Yeah, there's a bag over there with all the food.
Okay. So 3 days. Well, we're getting there tomorrow. What, luncheon?
What time do we leave for the Tetons? 8, 7, 16?
Dude, I don't know.
We're in the Hudgens. We're in the Tetons